I see a man, he opens the door to the 5th floor, only he would know. All it took to get here, project lives, a broken home, going in and out, another closing door. But he don't care because he's strong. Warm is the rain, it hides my feelings. Strong is the pain, but it's time to dry my eyes. Warm is the rain, it hides my feelings. Strong is the pain. Yes, oh yeah. I watch them as they play on our street. Our eyes meet as they play the game. If the world could see the future of the promised land, standing right before you, help a man to stand. Won't you help a man to stand? Warm, warm is the rain, it hides my feelings. Strong is the pain, but it's time to dry my eyes. Warm is the rain, ooh, you know it hides my feelings. Strong is the pain, but it's time to dry my eyes. Oh, say it again. He was the one who showed you everything. Come to find this in your solitude. He gave you wisdom from his spoken word, even when you didn't want to listen. He was the man you come to realize, for who truth was the only bottom line. He was your father, and you need to know he did the best that he could for you. Warm is the rain, you know it hides my feelings. Strong is the pain, oh yeah, but it's time to dry my eyes. Warm is the rain, you know it hides